Hey everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be telling you how you can make some extra money. So you might have just gotten out of school or you have some extra time after work and you're just looking for some ways to generate additional income. And the way that you can do that is through lawn care. Now before you click away from this video thinking that you need tons of money or that you need all sorts of things to get started, I'm going to tell you right now that you don't. It's super simple. You can start by using your parents' lawnmower, by even borrowing your neighbor's lawnmower. So you don't even need to own a lawnmower to get started with this. I've been doing this for over 7 years, and you can make thousands of dollars or as much or as little as you're willing to put in. I actually made a course on Udemy that goes through all of these things, and for less than you'd make mowing one lawn, you can get all of this stuff. It goes over everything from licensing to what equipment to get, to how to market your services, to how to deal with customers, to how to keep good records, track your finances, as well as a bonus section. So for less than it would cost for one lawn cut, you can get all of this stuff that deals with everything that you'll need to get started and to start making money right away from doing this. There's a link down below. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or you can click the link down below. Thank you for watching.